Right, good morning all, welcome back. So at the end of the last video I said I was going to drop the oil in the Sportster and do a service. It's only when I got back that I realised I haven't actually got enough engine oil, so rather than drop the oil and not have enough to fill it, I decided to wait. So what I'm going to do today is go over to a mechanic that I know and buy some oil. But first, breakfast.
There's a massive rush to get petrol.
My word, is it hot. As soon as you stop the bike and get off, it's absolutely scorching. So glad I brought this bottle of water. So I wanted just to stop in this graveyard on the way back. This is in Langford, just outside Malden in Essex. And the reason I wanted to stop is this graveyard, this little church, is actually a Commonwealth War Grave, which means they're looked after. And I know there's a couple of military graves in here. FS Jocelyn, Royal Army Service Corps, 5th of February 1917, so it's obviously First World War grave, and I know there's at least one more, which we're going to have a look for. You can always tell military graves because they're always kept very, very clean. As I said, they're looked after by the War Graves Commission. God, that poor lad. 18th of June 1918, 17. As much as, being an ex-military man myself, and you know that as much as we shouldn't be fighting wars, sometimes they're necessary. It's just so futile, some of them. Just kept alive for me. 17 years old. this bridge that we're crossing over, this actually used to be a railway bridge, so it's all overgrown now, but down in there used to be a diesel railway which run from Wickham to Malden. It hasn't run since the 1960s when it was closed down, but you can still, and I've done it, walk all the way from Malden to Wickham, or the other way round, along the side of the old rail trail. It's actually quite a good walk from Wickham to Malden and back again. It's a 14-mile round trip walking along the old railway. So this is St Peter's Church, and I came across this when I was doing that Wickham to Malden railway walk years ago. It hasn't been used, I don't think, since 1970 or so it was abandoned, and it was adopted by I think it's Friends of Unwanted Churches or something. Anyway, it got done up, and at last I read about it, it's a sort of art gallery for the stained glass, so you can book an appointment to go in and view the windows if you want. If I remember, I think it was, they reckon it was built during the Norman period. Yeah. Some really, really old gravestones around here. Like hundreds of years old. Bike's still there, and the bag's still on the back. I was going to go up and finish the video up by the bike, but there's a lady just sparked and got out of her car, so I won't embarrass her. Look, I hope you've enjoyed this. It's only been a really simple, straightforward ride around Essex today. As I said, I went over to get oil from Rocky. Haven't seen him in a few years, so it's just nice to touch base, see that he's still well, and give me a little bit of a discount on the oil because I'm a regular customer. And also, although I do all my own servicing, it's not a bad thing to keep on side with a good mechanic, especially with Harleys. So that's it, folks. As I said, hope you enjoyed this. I'm absolutely melting. I've got 5 minutes to get home, and I'm going to get a cold drink. I'm definitely going to drop the oil on it today. I'm going to get a cold drink, and then go sit in the garden and enjoy the sun. So until next time, folks, ride often, ride safe.